In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change column headings from letters to numbers in Excel. This quick tweak switches Excel from the familiar A, B, C columns to a numeric system, which can make complex formulas and large models easier to understand. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what changes behind the scenes, and share a few tips so you know when and why to use it. Start by opening your workbook in Excel. Look to the very top left corner of the window and click File. That takes you to the Backstage view, where you can manage settings that affect how Excel behaves, not just the content of the current sheet. Next, move to the bottom of the left-hand menu and click Options. This opens the Excel Options dialog, which groups the most important settings into categories. Don't worry, nothing changes until you confirm it, so it's safe to explore. In the Excel Options window, select the Formulas category on the left. This section controls calculation settings, error checking, and, most importantly for us, the way cell references are displayed. You'll see a checkbox labeled R1C1 Reference Style. That's the switch we need. Check the box for R1C1 Reference Style. The change applies immediately. You'll notice your column headings at the top of the worksheet switch from letters to numbers, so instead of column A or B, you'll see 1, 2, 3, and so on. Row headings remain numbers as usual. The biggest difference is how formulas display. In R1C1, cells are identified by their row and column numbers, like R3C2 for row 3, column 2. Relative references are shown with brackets, such as R1C1, which means one row down and one column to the left from the active cell. This can be particularly helpful for auditing formulas, building templates, or writing macros where relative positions matter more than lettered columns. If you ever want to switch back to the standard A1 style, just return to the same formula section and uncheck R1C1 reference style. Your existing formulas will translate automatically between styles. The underlying calculations don't change, only how Excel displays the references. Keep in mind that this is an application setting, so it affects all workbooks you open in Excel until you change it again. That's all there is to it. Click File, choose Options, open the Formulas category, and turn on R1C1 Reference Style. With that single setting, you can make your column headings numeric and view formulas in a way that's often clearer for large or programmatic models. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.